everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and we are stuffing our cash envelopes today. If this is your very first time, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. Here on my channel, we talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, paying off debt, stuffing cash envelopes. We are getting ready for 2020. If you are here for another video, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be stuffing a total of $536. I did get this cash breakdown envelope from Shamika So Creations. I'm not sure if her shop is still open, but I know that people are gonna ask me where I got that from, so I got it from her. You might want to head over to her channel and maybe inbox her or email her and see if she will be open. So let's go ahead and, well, actually her name is not So Creations anymore. Her name is All of Shamika, I believe, because she just did a brand change, but I'll make sure I put her name up here on the screen. So I'm going to get our cash in the cash tray and we'll get started. They gave me these funky tins. Bam, don't you just love the way money sounds? I mean, that would be the only reason why I want to work in a bank, is because I would want to count the cash all day. Even though they don't pay much, but you know, I used to work at Wells Fargo, y'all, and they don't pay their people much at all. So I have transitioned over to the Notiq A7 binder. I absolutely love this binder. It is just so cute, and I do have a review coming up. Check that video out. It will be out on Monday, where I will be reviewing the Notiq binder, or actually the video might go up on Thursday actually, or Monday. The video will be up sometime this week, so be looking for it. Okay, and I'm gonna go over all the contents in that video, so I won't go through much today, okay? So the very first thing that we are going to do is unstuff our envelopes. Let's see if we have anything left. So groceries, we have nothing. Food, which is basically eating out, we don't have anything. Household, we don't have anything. Toiletries, we don't have anything. Beauty, we don't have anything. And miscellaneous, we don't have anything. Giving stays. Coins, we have some coins, so let's take our coins out. And the reason why I'm pretty much depleted is because I'm a week late from stuffing my cash envelope, so that's the reason why. So let's put our coins in our coin jar. I am using this coin jar that I got from Walmart last year, so we're gonna put our coins in here. So we are done with that. I'll just slide that right on over there. And we have receipts. So let me take my receipts out. So if you guys are not aware, I have just finally downloaded Fetch Rewards. I'm so excited about this actual app where you can scan your receipts and turn your points into gift cards. I mean, you guys, I can't believe that I actually, well, these are gift cards. I can't believe that I actually took so long to download that app, but I finally downloaded. I believe that I have scanned all of these receipts already. So of course, if you haven't heard of that app, it's super cool. It's called Fetch Rewards, and all you need to do is scan your receipts and you can turn your points into gift cards that you can use. And if you sign up today and you use my code, you'll get 2,000 points, and so will I. Okay, so go ahead and do yourself a favor and download that. You will not regret it, okay? Let's start stuffing. So groceries is gonna get our normal $150. And we're just gonna fold this here and put it in our grocery envelope. Food is not gonna be getting anything, which is eating out. House is gonna get our normal $30. And toiletries is gonna get the normal $30 as well. Beauty is not gonna get anything actually, so I can probably take this out. I only put beauty in here when I get ready to go to the to go get my nails done, things like that. Holidays not getting anything. Giving should, but I did not take any money out for that. I should have put at least $5 in there. And that is it. This is it for our envelopes on a go. Now for our sinking funds. Medical is going to be getting $5. And I'm gonna need to fill out my sheet here. All right, so today is, I'm doing this real late, you guys. So this is a deposit. This is $5, and we should have $105 in here. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $105. Perfect. This is just for any medications, any routine doctor visits that I need to have, and I can pay my co-payments with this, or any medication that I might need. I don't have to go to the doctor often, so I don't have to really feel it too much. Car registration, I actually forgot to take money out from, oh no I didn't. Car registration, $15. I thought that I had forgot. So this would be $60. Let's make sure we have what we need. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. My car registration is due every September of the year. So I only have to save $15 per paycheck, and that would get me, the goal is about $300 for my car registration. Hair is going to be getting a total of $25. So hair should be at 100. So we got 25 here. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, next is clothes, and clothes is not getting anything this time. Auto care is going to be getting $25. So that would put auto care at $175. Let's make sure that's here. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175. Perfect. I'm gonna be having to pay for my car services again, coming up really soon. I pay for 5 car services at a time so that I'm not having to come out of the pocket every time I get my car service, A, and then B, it's cheaper if you pay upfront for a certain amount. Trash is going to be getting $16. It's actually going to be getting a total of it's actually gonna be getting $106. So I'm gonna be getting a 50, 2 20s, a 10, a 5, and a 1. My trash bill is every quarter, so I will be paying this soon. So 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So we have 90 and then 16. This is how I'm counting my madness here. Oh, oops, 90, 16. So I need my calculator. Make sure I have what I'm supposed to have in here. So 80 plus 90 is 170. And 170 plus 16 equals, so I should have 186 in here. 50, 90, oops, 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. All right, perfect. 186 is what we have in trash. We're gonna be paying that off, and we'll be starting over again to pay this completely. Home maintenance is not getting anything. Wedding is not getting anything. Job petty cash is not getting anything. JW is getting $120. Or JW is just getting $100, actually. YouTube is not getting anything. Wigs is not getting anything. Beauty is getting $20. Which is, it says nails, but it's really beauty. And my car wash envelope is not in here. I don't know why. Oh, yes it is. So car wash is going to be getting $10. I just got my car washed and I have $5 left, which is this. And so today we are depositing $10 and we'll have $15. And I need to actually need to create a card for this. I finally got some more deposit sheets, but I'll do that off camera. And then I have $20 left. What is this going to? Oh, holidays. So I skipped holidays. I don't know why. So holidays is getting $20. So we should have 90, so 50, 70, 90 for holidays. For holidays. All right, you guys. We have completely stuffed all of our envelopes. We stuffed our daily envelopes and then our sinking funds. If you did not catch the budget video, that was uploaded the last video, so make sure that you check that video out. I'm also going to be doing an unstuffing so that I can pay my credit card bill. Make sure that you guys tune in for that because I'm going to be explaining the new way of budgeting. I have changed my budget so many times, you guys, but I think that I am finally at a place where I have a system that I really like. I'm going to talk about how to use credit cards to pay your bills to make sure that they're on time. and to make sure you get cash back. I'm super excited about this one because I learned about this from many YouTubers, but I know someone who does it a lot. I know 2 people who do it a lot, and one of them is Sinai, So Crafty by Sinai, and then there's one more person who does this. I can't think of her name, but she's a YouTuber who paid off her Tesla, or bought a Tesla cash, or bought her house. Tanisha, I think that's her name. But I know that they use their credit cards and they get rewards. And so now that I'm disciplined enough to, you know, use my credit card without going ham and not paying the bill and things like that, I figured let me go ahead and try it. And you guys, you have to tune into that next video because okay. All right, guys, we're at 17 minutes and I am all about valuing your time. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. And if you made it this far, let me know that you made it to the end. I want to celebrate you guys in a special kind of way. So if you made it to the end, drop down and comment below, I made it. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.